Hello, my name is Steven and I am a student of Industrial Engineering and of the English course. I belong to the group 824. I am a person who loves to travel and tries to do it very often. On this time, I come to realize my trip to Salento and the Cocora Valley. I was trying to see beautiful place. First, I left the city of Ibagué at 4 in the morning on a motorcycle to be able to be around 7 in the town park and to be able to have breakfast. Then I left on the way to the Valley of Cocora, which is a place where we can pick towards palms and some beautiful landscape which I always recommend to my friends. Around noon, I returned to the town for lunch. Then I went to the viewpoints that are in the upper parts where I usually sell craft and accessories and take the opportunity to have a delicious coffee. Later I went to the hotel to return to Ibagué next day. I often make this trip since it is a very nice and close place where people are very often friendly. Thanks.